In this tutorial, we'll show you how to enable cheats in a Minecraft world. This is fairly easy, and if you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Enabling cheats allows you to use commands, change your game mode, and so much more. Here's how to turn them on. First things first, pause the game by pressing escape, and then select save and quit. This will return you to the world selection screen. Find the world that you want to enable cheats for, most likely your most recent one, and click edit. On the left hand side, scroll down until you see cheats. Click on it, and then in this section, there's going to be a very top area where you can enable cheats. You'll also see options to customize specific cheat settings. Feel free to adjust them based on what you want. Once you're done, press play to load back into your world. It'll give you a little bit of a warning. Hit continue anyway. And just like that, you have now enabled cheats in your Minecraft world. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.